What it do, Dream Team? It's your boy Neal back with another reaction video, guys. Here we are with Attenborough. The Amazing Lyre Bird sings like a chainsaw. Now in high quality on BBC Earth. I reacted to a Lyre Bird video not too long ago, pretty recently, but y'all said it was the wrong Lyre Bird video. It didn't really teach you nothing about the Lyre Bird. Y'all said this was a better video, so here I am jumping on this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Before we do, make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, get a video a thumbs up so it gets suggested. What we got?
What bird
That's crazy.
has the most elaborate, the most complex, the most beautiful song in the world? Well, I guess there are lots of contenders, but this bird must be one of them. The superb lyre bird of South Australia. He clears a space in the forest to serve as his concert platform. To persuade females to come close and admire his plumes, he sings the most complex song he can manage, and he does that by copying the songs of all the other birds he hears around him, such as the kookaburra.
It's so crazy how they're able to do that. I find these birds absolutely incredible, bro. Like the ability to be able to just copy like and mimic all these noises and sounds that you hear is insane.
A convincing impersonation. Even the original is fooled.
They could just be out here tricking everybody, bro.
He can imitate the calls of at least 20 different species.
That's insane.
He also, in his attempt to outsing his rivals, incorporates other sounds that he hears in the forest. That was a camera shutter.
That's so crazy.
And again.
It's so cool. It's so cool. It's so exciting to. It sounds so real. It sounds so real.
And now a camera with a motor drive. And that's a car alarm.
Nah, these birds different, bro. These birds different.
And now
Is
the
it
sounds
whistling?
of foresters and their chainsaws working nearby.
Bro, that's wild. That legit, that every sound was so real. Car alarm, so real. The chainsaw, off the charts. It was the camera shutter, and then the one with the drive. Oh, bro, these birds are absolutely insane. I feel like, you know what I'm saying? If they had a predator, I feel like you just make a noise that let them know that, hey, you ain't want to be messed with. You make a noise that they're afraid of, and you trick them into thinking that they're the prey, and that you the predator. You feel me? And then they back out, they leave you alone. I just think it's crazy. I think it's crazy. I think it's awesome. Nature is an amazing thing. and the creations like these birds is absolutely wild to me. It actually sounds, it makes such real human sounds, bro. Like, it baffles me. That's all we got. You guys got a favorite video suggestion, you can subscribe to Patreon or drop it in the comment section. It's your boy D Neal, out.